My son is cooking his how to call this one? Yeah.
Huh?
What is the name of your food?
삼겹살 구이.
삼겹살 구이. Grilled 삼겹살 belly. Wow. You put black pepper? It's not yet. You have to cook first. You have to make brownie.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's delicious. Then what else? You already put salt. So it's not salty? Ooh. And I'm cooking samgyeopsal with kimchi stew. This recipe is very famous in Jeju Island. And wow. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. How many minutes do you want? How many minutes after you cook this one?
네?
How many minutes do you cook?
몰라.
그렇게 해야 되나?
네.
빙글빙글 뱅글. And my also menu is looks delicious. 여기. 그 다음에는 김치 볶음. 아니 그거 말고 저기 돼.
어?
그거 돼 있잖아. 아니 그 검정 색깔 있잖아. 간장. There.
어?
큰 거. The big one. Kailangan we have to talaga yung magiging mawala yung ano yan, yung sabaw. It's delicious. 다음에 뭐 할 건데?
라이스
Steak? Huh? This is a steak. 삼겹살 steak 아니야?
이렇게.
What else? 어디 가?
어디다 버려야 돼.
응.
어디다 버려?
여기 밑에. 다음에 This is Suyun recipe. White water. White 간장. White soy sauce. Actually, I don't know the name of his menu. I think this is the first time.
네? 네.
Suyun is cooking strange menu today. Kanja, how many spoon?
5.
5 spoon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, he put a 5 spoon with a half cup of water.
그거 설탕.
You need
이거야?
no up. Yep. And he will need some sugar. How many spoon of sugar do you want? Oh, this is sugar. 이거 설탕이야? You try. 설탕. So this is an organic.
바로 묻다가.
응. 응?
네.
괜찮아? This is an organic sugar made of how to call maple tree. This is made of maple. How many spoons do you put? Two spoon. I think the sugar is not really sweet. You try.
더 넣어야 돼?
I don't know. You try. You try this one. Then. That's all?
맛들이 짜장.
I think it's better you put some oyster sauce. You try the sauce first. If the sauce is already okay.
엄마가 먼저 먹어.
You have to try.
아,
I don't know. You have to try. I don't know the taste
나도
really.
몰라.
I don't know.
맛있어.
Diba? What's the taste? Let me try. 뭐야?
맛있어.
맛없어.
아니야.
And you have to stir fry the samgyeopsal. You put all. Why? Are you afraid? Yeah, you have to wash the dishes after.
원 디시스.
And you have to cook again. You have to cook for how many minutes? And this is still Sina, can you open this one? Can you open this one?
왜?
I need to put here. You put some 2 spoon. 2 spoon of powder pepper powder. This up. Thank you.
네.
여기. You wash here. Okay. I think I think we put so many gochugaru here.
망했네.
왜?
느낌이 이상한데.
느낌이? You need some help? Do you need some help to make the taste better?
응.
Kindly open this. Open this one. Put 1 spoon.
아직 안 먹어봤는데.
1 spoon, just 1 spoon. I think the taste will be better. More. Okay, mix. grazie. I think the taste become better. Let's try one. 그치? 엄마 요리사야. 아, 뚜껑. Yeah, the fire is very high. It's very strong. And then
에? 좀 달라야 되는데. 커팅.
응?
커팅.
You cut.
나 커팅할 때 몰라.
Yeah, yeah. 그냥. 지인아, 나중에 엄마, 너 나중에 너 결혼하면 엄마 같이 살 거야, 안 살 거야?
몰라.
왜?
그때가 생각할까.
아니, 지금 생각하는 거 소중한데? 네 마음속으로.
몰라. 그럼 복잡해.
엄마 같이 살고 싶지 않았지?
어려운 일이야. 생각해야 돼.
그럼 엄마 필리핀 가야겠네. 나 괜찮아? 너 같이 안 살면 엄마도 이제 필리핀 가야 되니까. 맘대로 살아.
네.
엄마 필리핀 가야 돼. 됐어. 땄어. 됐어. 가만해. 뭐야?
맛있어?
아직 모르지.
야, 나 밥 해야 되는데, 밥.
안녕, 베이비.
메론.
수윤이 이상한 요리가 해줬어.
밥?
아, 여기서?
안 돼?
알았어. 아, 여기.
많이 했는데.
And he put some rice
에?
in the
더 해야
frying
돼?
pan. 알았어요. 네가 먹을 만큼 해. 힘이 그거 해.
어떤?
그거만큼 할 거야?
어떤?
So make it, keep mix. 이거 잡아봐.
응.
잡아봐, 이렇게. 설명해.
안래. 아니야, 여따 또 뭐 해야 돼?
응?
쌈장 넣어야 돼.
쌈장? 왜?
그래야 맛있어.
아, 여기 있어, 빨리, 여기 있어, 봐봐. 여기 있어. 뭐야. 쌈장?
응.
얼른 쌈장 가져가.
쌈장 어딨어?
여기.
이거밖에 없어?
응?
원스.
원스푼? 너무 많아. 자. He put some spicy 고추장, red pepper with beans paste and mixed well with the rice. I don't know what's the taste. I think this is very strange food he ever make. 됐어?
이거 어디다 놨어?
응? 아니.
왜?